With a bit of disappointment, or a bit of pill, that we appeared to receive the decision just this afternoon, in essence, which was to remove evidence from the defence that would be available to us to put to trial next week. This David's trial is already under national security information orders, which make it a secret trial. None of you will be allowed to hear what happens next week. But an extra burden today was that the Crown, the government, was given authority to bundle up evidence and run out the back door with it. Oh. They've taken it from us. He's no longer able to put it before a jury. That is a fatal blow in conjunction with the decision that was made a few days ago that limits what we can say to the jury on David's behalf in terms of what his duty as an officer was and the oath he took to serve, as we say, the interests of the Australian people. Well, the ruling was he doesn't have a duty to serve the interests of the Australian people. He has a duty to follow orders. That's a very narrow understanding of the law, in our view, that takes us back really pre-World War II, where I think we all know how military law has been judged since then and in terms of compliance to follow orders. So, facing that reality, what we're limited in what we can put to a jury in terms of David's duty, which he's waited some 5 years to articulate, together with the removal of evidence, makes it impossible for us realistically to go to trial. And it is a sad day and a difficult day for us to advise David on his options this afternoon, and he embraced them. I've asked David not to talk, perhaps beyond a very simple comment, but it's not appropriate. We're approaching sentence now, and he really can't, so I ask you not to press him inappropriately. Thank you. David's wife.
I will say one thing, and that is I stand tall, and I believe I did my duty, and I don't see it as a defeat. I see it as the beginning of a better Australia. And thank you all for being here.
Shame on the government! Shame on the government!
Thank you, David! Thank you, Jake.
And on behalf of David, in the absence of David being able to speak, his wife Sarah and the mother of his 2 children.
It's been a very long battle, both financially and emotionally. Our 2 girls have been through a hell of a lot, more than anyone should be going through. I'm not giving up hope. He's done the right thing. I've said that from the beginning. Truth and justice will prevail, and I'm incredibly proud of him, as are his 2 girls. Please don't give up on him now. No. We've got to get through this journey. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. And can I add, just to be precise, we still have an option of an appeal, which we are investigating. Even on a guilty plea, there is an option of an appeal, so we're investigating that.
And you too, Jake. Thank you. My special counsel.
A round of applause for David and his legal team.
I'd like to thank my legal team, led by Mark Davis and Stephen Hodges and Emmanuel Kirkashirian, and of course Jack and Natalia. Thank you very much.